my 6 gauges all ready to go. Got fine knock learn, boost, feedback knock, coolant temp, dynamic advanced multiplier, and here's the airflow, or the air to fuel. Okay, and there it is. You can see the peak value of boost is now 16.3. That was just after a 2-second downshift to second pull, and we already improved the max PS, the max boost by 2, and that was just on a quick pull, and that was on the first ever pull that I did. That was pretty much full throttle or close to full throttle, I'm not sure. But we are at cruising highway speed, about 67 miles per hour, just a nice slow and chill highway speed, and the air to fuel ratio is 14.5. It's just fluctuating in the 14s as we gotta slow down a little bit, auto up, hence letting off the throttle. Coasting in gear lets the air to fuel shoot up at 21.9, but getting back on it, we can give it a little bit of throttle in 6th gear, 2 pounds of boost just to get around these cars, then going back to cruise control at 67. Alright, there you have it. The Cobb Accessport for the car. So far so good. I really like it. The car does feel like it has more punch to it. So far with the gauges, everything looks good. I just want to make sure that when you are driving in the city and cruising on the highway, that the air to fuel ratio is in the 14s. So let me know if that is normal. When I get on it, the air to fuel ratio does look good. It is operating in the safe window. I'd say the safe window is 11.3 to 13.5. When I did get back from my little drive, I did notice some sound from the engine when I was idling, and it sounds like knock, and here's that clip. So in that clip, I was giving it a little bit of throttle, but then I let off back to idle, and you could hear a little something. So I shut the car off, then I turned the car back on again, and the noise was gone. I let the car idle for like 5 minutes, and it was completely normal. It was idling just fine, with no noise. So I'm not sure what that was all about. I will go for a drive tomorrow and see if it does the same thing. I will stop at my performance shop, talk to them about the air to fuel ratio under city driving and highway cruising, see if that should be in the 14s. My air to fuel ratio under full throttle, that is safe, so that's good. And also I will show them that clip of what sounds like knock, and also tell them that when I shut the car off and then turn the car back on, it was fine. So I will see what they think of that. So those are my first impressions, first thoughts. I don't know what that sound is. Maybe I'm making a big deal out of nothing. Maybe the car has always made sounds like that and I just haven't noticed until now. Let me know if I should be concerned. But in the meantime, I will go for a drive tomorrow and see if it does the same thing. and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.